Looking for a budget-friendly mini blender that actually crushes ice and fits your busy lifestyle? First up, the TuGoBlend mini blender is designed to solve the annoying problem of having to wash a giant blender jar just for a single-serve morning smoothie. This handy personal blender comes with two BPA-free portable cups in convenient 20-ounce and 13.5-ounce sizes, alongside a durable 4-blade stainless steel base. It is the perfect match for busy commuters or gym goers who need to blend and run without wasting time. Picture yourself tossing in frozen berries, protein powder, and milk right before your morning workout, blending it in seconds, and swapping the blade for a travel lid to head out the door. With a solid 4-star rating, this setup keeps your healthy routine incredibly simple and mess-free. Next, at number 2, we have a cordless rechargeable option that solves the struggle of finding an available wall outlet when you are traveling or at the office. This 24-ounce portable blender features a powerful 6-blade system and convenient USB-C charging, allowing you to whip up fresh drinks anywhere. It is ideal for outdoor enthusiasts, office workers, or anyone who wants to upgrade their daily wellness ritual on the go. Imagine blending a fresh, icy green smoothie right at your desk during a mid-afternoon slump without needing to plug anything in. Rated at 4.4 stars, it is a reliable partner that effortlessly keeps up with a demanding active lifestyle. Now for number 3. This mini cordless food processor and blender solves the headache of tedious manual chopping and bulky kitchen prep work. Featuring a 200-watt motor, 6 sharp blades, and a compact 10-ounce glass container, this gadget makes prepping ingredients incredibly fast and easy. It is built for RV travelers, dorm students, or home cooks who want to save precious counter space and skip the hand chopping. You can easily throw in garlic, herbs, and onions, press the top button for 5 seconds, and get perfectly minced ingredients for a fresh pasta sauce. Plus, it features a safety lock and dishwasher-safe parts, making cleanup a breeze. Coming in at number 4, this 2-piece portable personal blender set solves the problem of couples or roommates fighting over a single blender in the morning. Each 17-ounce blender features a 175-watt motor and comes packed with useful accessories like ice cube molds, a funnel, and a cleaning brush. This dual pack is perfect for families or roommates who want to customize their own individual healthy drinks simultaneously. Imagine you and your partner prepping a post-run protein shake and a fresh fruit juice at the exact same time without waiting for the other to finish. It is a highly convenient, versatile choice that makes healthy living a shared and effortless habit. And finally, number 5 is the TOPZEE Personal Smoothie Blender, which solves the frustrating issue of weak personal blenders leaving unblended ice chunks in your drink. With a massive 1,000-watt motor and a 6-blade assembly, this compact machine easily crushes ice and frozen fruits into a perfectly smooth consistency. It is the ultimate choice for fitness fanatics and heavy smoothie drinkers who demand high power without taking up valuable countertop space. For a quick post-workout meal, simply pack the 24-ounce cup with ice, frozen bananas, and protein powder, twist to start, and enjoy a velvety shake in seconds. Boasting a 4.5-star rating, it is a true powerhouse companion for your daily nutrition. Make sure to check out the links in the description below to find the best deals on all of these mini blenders. If you enjoyed this breakdown, please hit that subscribe button and click the bell icon so you never miss our upcoming product reviews. Let me know in the comments which of these blenders you are picking up or what kitchen gadget you want to see us review next. Keep blending, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.